Hello everyone. Hello. Mag-voice acting. No, wait na.
Okay. Flip. Flip.
Hello everyone. You might recognize this voice. But I don't
No. I do not remember what to play.
So dali.
He wants to die. But.
Headshot. Headshot. This is Kai Kai's friend play. This is Kai Kai playing.
Who wants to die?
Not talking, just a little.
What are you doing?
Bisaya ka.
No, but just look at the flash. Well, am I? Okay. Hey,
Emotional damage.
emotional. Wants to knife.
Wants to morph.
Wants to dash. Oh my god, we couldn't get it.
May sabi ani ako sa sa mga nagkikita sa dali. If you don't know this voice, this person likes Forsaken a lot. Okay, that's all.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
Equip
god!
mo na.
Oh no!
First try sana all. YouTuber luck. Wow.
Killed.
Headshot. Oh.
Tama ka? We just lag.
He doesn't feel pain, but he can still feel pain.
Headshot. Want to die.
Wants to do.
Oh my god, me already get shot.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Oh my god, why?
Ako na.
Kadayaan ko ako edit. Brother, why?
Okay lang.
Report.
Okay lang.
You killed me.
Okay.
Time to die.
Saan ko duwi register na napatay na sila?
Because this game is laggy. Oh my. How? Tell me how. Tell me.
Why?
When you love me, man, and heart.
Tell me
Why do you nothing but a mistake?
I never wanna see you say.
Get killed.
Kill. Double kill.
Killed.
Oh!
How many anger? Oh my god, why?
Masakit ba? Nag-hagpan ka ba?
Here, Papa. Oh my god.
Oh, headshot.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Boom! What up?
Oh my god.
Headshot. Ano?
Oh my
Headshot.
god. Why? Tell me now, baby, mistake.
Alam mo paano na blood overdose? Oh. Headshot.
Adrian.
Cheetah. The first cheetah is the first cheetah.
Headshot.
Headshot.
You love me like you do, yeah. I
Ay, dili ka
don't
nakakita sa
care everything. Tell me now, do you love me like a 6-7 man?
Oy,
Killed you
nagbibidyo ka
in
baga.
every time.
Nagbibidyo ka tapos nagsabi ka sa sa pwede number. Mag-knife ka konta. Mag-knife ka konta siya.
Time to knife everybody.
Wow.
That is an illegal posture. That's needed to be scientific.
Ano dati paborito mo na kanan?
Build it.
O sige, tanaman mo daw. Kung gusto mo.
Papapasukan na try natin. Let's go hapon na other games.
Gusto mo Blood Overdose or iba na games?
Blood overdose.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Blood overdose. Okay, let's go play it.
Asymmetrical horror game. Amin na.
What you do?
Blood Overdose.
What you
Kurang ko ng update na yun.
Okay.
Hmm?
It's already updated.
Blood Overdose. Kana mo ka nun.
No!
Naglalag ka.
Ay, ni.
Naglalag ka mo ka nam.
Diyan na, kita mo?
Naglalag. Yo, may stamina bar na. Habo ko. Habo ko mag-stamina bar. Pwede ka ba mag-ball?
First person? Hello. Hello.
Pwede ka ba mag-vault dito?
Full.
Ano? Mag-run. Ay, ayaw pag-sneak. Pwede ka ba mag-vault? Lukso. Lukso over things. Amin na. Kita mo?
Yes.
Pwede ka mag-slide. Dati may slide din na.
Ay, ko rin. Ano dito?
Ha?
Ano mo ito?
Yung bago yun na server.
Bago pa lang yan?
Na server. Okay ka raw nun?
What you do? What you do? Hindi na mo di.
Adiyo? Masaya na lang.
Hindi mo.
Exam mo. Nandiyan ka na. Saan natapos?
Dilipan ni mo para magkanam.
Mahulat ka lang ba? Ano?
Ah, may for second?
Asymmetrical horror game. Wait lang. Run. Run. Ah, di na add ito na ano. Di na add kihapon ito. Nagpa-video pa ba kita? Dili na.
You're doing it. No.
Abo mo na ang video.
I want to play.
O sige, iba na.